I'm about to show you something that happened live on Zoom while dozens of my students watched, and it's going to change how you think about real estate forever. A school teacher in St. Louis called me, desperate. He had bought an investment property worth $75,000, owed only $53,000 on it, and the after repair value was $135,000. But he was so stressed and overwhelmed that he had said these exact words. "Matt, if you just take over my $350 monthly payments, the property is yours." My students' jaws, they hit the floor. This teacher was literally giving away $22,000 in instant equity because he couldn't handle the stress. But here's the thing, this happens more than you think. People will give away their properties if it alleviates their pain. And your boss doesn't want you to know this, because once you understand how to find these situations, your job becomes completely optional. In this video, I'm gonna show you why just 3 rental properties, not 10, not 100, just 3 is all you need to escape the 9-to-5 trap forever. But first, let me tell you what happened to that teacher. The city had rejected his initial repairs. They wouldn't issue his permit. It was his first flip, but they didn't care. No mercy. They made him start over from scratch. He was a teacher, and he didn't have another $25,000 lying around. Every day that property sat empty, he was bleeding money. The stress was eating him alive. His wife was furious, and he couldn't sleep. So he did what desperate people do. He gave it away just to make the pain stop. My students watched me walk through that deal live. The property worth $135,000, mortgage $53,000, monthly payments of $350. One of my private clients took that deal and made $22,000 the day they signed the papers. And here's what's crazy. I see deals like this every single month. Not because I'm special, but because I know where to look. And once you have 3 properties like this, everything changes. But let's be honest about where you are right now. You're probably stuck in a job you don't love, trading time for money, watching your life tick by while someone else gets rich off your efforts. Maybe you think real estate is just for wealthy people, or you're overwhelmed by all the conflicting advice. You know, Airbnb, the BRRRR method, wholesaling, flipping, self-storage, apartments, commercial. I mean, there's a lot of stuff out there vying for your attention. You've probably even been burned by some guru promising that you'll get rich quick with no money down. I know this because just about every new client that we take on, this isn't their first rodeo. And deep down, you're terrified you're gonna screw up. Buy the wrong property, get a nightmare tenant, lose everything. So you do nothing. Here's why your boss really doesn't want you to see this. I mean, think about it. What happens to companies when employees have options? When people aren't desperate for their paychecks? You become harder to control. You negotiate better. You might even leave. The entire system depends on you believing you need that job. That real estate is too complicated, too risky, too expensive for regular people. They don't want you to know that desperate sellers will literally give you properties just to solve their problems. Your boss benefits from your financial stress. It keeps you compliant, grateful, stuck. Meanwhile, opportunities like that St. Louis teacher are happening every single day. Stressed property owners, desperate for relief, willing to make deals that seem impossible. But you'll never find them scrolling through Zillow or waiting for the perfect moment. Here's what the real estate industry doesn't want you to know. You don't need perfect credit, massive cash, or decades of experience. You need to understand human psychology. That teacher didn't care about maximum profit. He cared about maximum pain relief. And there are thousands of property owners just like him, overwhelmed, stressed, ready to make deals that don't make sense on paper, but make perfect sense emotionally. The magic number isn't 10 properties or 100, it's 3. 3 rental properties can set you free. Why 3? Because 3 properties are where everything shifts. Your cash flow covers your basic expenses. Banks start taking you seriously. You have options that your boss doesn't want you to have. I've watched hundreds of my students hit this 3 property milestone. Teachers, pharmaceutical sales reps, corporate cubicle goers, single moms, IT guys, nurses. Lots of IT guys and nurses for some reason, but regular people who figured out this simple truth. I remember Benny's first property. He was terrified, scraped together every penny, lost sleep for months, second-guessed everything. His second came easier. He had some confidence, understood the process. But his third property, That's when he walked into his boss's office and realized something that had fundamentally changed. He wasn't there because he had to be. He was there because he chose to be. That feeling, it's addictive. Picture this. 3 years from now, you're sitting across from your boss. They're stressed out about budgets, layoffs, and office politics. You, though, are calm because you know that if they fired you tomorrow, you'd be fine. Your 3 properties generate enough to cover your mortgage, groceries, car payment. You have what most people never get, true financial security. But Matt, what if I don't have money for a down payment? Remember that teacher? Someone got a $135,000 property for taking over $350 payments. No down payment required. But what if I don't know how to find these deals? Well, I'm going to show you exactly where to look. It's not complicated, but it is specific. But what if I mess up? Well, here's the truth. Your biggest risk isn't making a mistake. Your biggest risk today is avoiding the risks. The world is moving fast, and if you stay exactly where you are, it's going to pass you up. Because while you're hesitating, someone else is taking that call from that next desperate property owner. And right about now, you might be wondering, does 3 rentals really change everything? I mean, is that actually gonna be enough? Listen, I'll keep it real. A few people might hit total financial freedom with just 3 properties. There are a lot of factors to consider. But for most of us, 3 isn't the finish line. It's the launch pad. And here's why. Getting to that first income property is the hardest thing most people will ever do. Not so much for why people think though. Like, you have to save like crazy. You have to work extra hours. Or you gotta cut back on everything just to scrape together a down payment. The learning curve can be steep, and you'll probably second guess every step. It can take years. Seriously, some people spend 3 to 5 years getting that first deal done. But it has more to do with the 6 inches of real estate between your ears than anything else. And once you own your first, everything shifts. That first rental starts sending you passive cash flow. Saving for the next one, it gets easier. You get smarter, faster, and less scared. The second deal always feels a little easier because you're stacking cash flow from property 1. When you hit your second property, the monthly cash flow might double, and so does your confidence. And here's the magic. Most people see the biggest change after property 2. Suddenly, you're not just saving from your day job, you're saving and stacking rental income. You start analyzing deals better, knowing what to look for, and how to spot the right numbers and opportunities. People in your network start bringing you deals. You start thinking creatively about Airbnb, short-term rentals, or finding partners who have money but no time. You might refinance, pull out equity, and roll that into your next deal, using the bank's money, not just your own. This is compounding real estate, just like compounding interest. Every property adds another stream of income, new leverage, and wiser decisions. And here's what's wild. That third deal doesn't just happen faster, it makes the 4th and 5th even easier. For a lot of investors, after number 3, the momentum is so strong, you can't help but keep going. This is rarely the finish line. It's the tipping point where things start to snowball. You'll look up one day and realize you're not just working for your money, your properties, and even your tenants are now working for you. That's why I say 3 rentals make your job optional. You're armed with so much knowledge and confidence, it truly is. But don't be surprised if you end up with more, because once the momentum hits, you won't want to stop. And if you're still stuck at 0 or 1, don't get discouraged. The hardest part is just getting started or restarted. I mean, every investor who ever scaled up was sitting right where you are right now, thinking it was impossible. Once you break through that second deal, you'll see how possible and how powerful this all really is. Here's how this actually works. Step 1, learn to identify motivated sellers. And I'll show you the exact signs in the free document below. Step 2, position yourself as the solution to their problem, not just another investor. Step 3, structure deals that give them what they need, pain relief, while building your wealth. And this works in every market: expensive cities, house hacking, creative financing, Midwest, traditional rentals with strong cash flow, growth markets, appreciation plays with decent cash flow. The strategy adapts, the principle stays the same. 3 well-chosen properties, that's your freedom number. Shannon, a nurse in Ohio, found a burned-out landlord with 4 properties. He was so tired of tenant calls, he sold her all 4 at 20% below market value. Micah, a construction worker in Texas, helped an elderly woman who inherited rental properties she couldn't manage. She practically gave him 2 duplexes just to have the headache gone. And then Jennifer, a teacher like that St. Louis guy, found 3 different motivated sellers in 6 months. She's now making more from her rentals than her teaching salary. These aren't unicorn stories. This is happening right now in every city, every month. But here's what you need to understand. Every day you wait, someone else is building the life you want. That St. Louis teacher, he's not the only one. Right now, there's probably a stressed property owner in your area making the same desperate phone calls. The question is, will you be ready when they call? Or will you still be thinking about it while someone else gets over the hump and grabs there first? If you're serious about proving to your boss that you don't need them, you don't need their job, you don't need their paycheck, you do need to know this journey, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. I made some very expensive mistakes early on, and I reveal them all in this video right here. If you know what they are, they're easy to avoid. I even give you the exact things that I would do if I had to do it all over again. So check this out so you can avoid the dumb mistakes, and those options can be yours too. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.